થોડોક ચેપ્ટર આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરશું, બાકીનો આપણે મંડે રાખશું. ઓકે, the basic ideas about whole numbers. Can anyone tell me what do you mean by whole number?
Sir,
Anybody?
don't remember the definition.
All of you. What about other children?
Sir,
Yes. Put off your mic. Put off your mic if you don't want to answer. Boys.
Sir, Rehan Gabrani.
Yes, Ryan. Please.
Yes,
You want to answer me? Can anyone explain
Yes,
me
sir.
what do you mean by whole number?
Whole number means full number.
Whole number means full number. And what do you mean by half number?
Sir, I know whole number means.
તો ઓલો દીકરો એમ કે હોલ નંબર એટલે ફૂલ નંબર, તો પછી હાફ નંબર કઈક થતું હશે ને?
Sir, whole number means 0 to last number.
What do you mean by natural number then?
Natural number means 1 to whole number. Sir, which starting from 1.
Okay, very good. Chalo. First of all, I'll show you natural number. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, goes on and it goes to infinite. Understood? Samajh pada chha? That was all natural numbers. Boys, all natural numbers. Now,
Yes, sir.
whole number means, whole number is if you add 0 ahead of 1, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it goes to infinite, all the numbers are calculated as whole number. Understood? समझ पड़ा है कि नहीं?
Sir. Yes, sir.
What is the difference between natural number and whole number? Natural number starts with 1 and whole number starts with 0. Okay? 0 to infinite covers whole number. Got it?
Yes, sir.
If I say 9,842, this is said to be whole number. Is that clear? Every number
Yes, sir.
written, whatever number of digits are there, all the things are said to be whole numbers. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to learn about new topic which is already familiar to you all. Predecessor and successor. What is written here? What is written? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by predecessor and successor? If I write 6 dash dash 4, are you familiar with before number and after number? તમે ઓલરેડી ભણી ચૂક્યા છો? આ
Yes, sir.
કઈ ડાયરેક્ટ 6th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ માં નથી આવતું બિફોર નંબર આફ્ટર નંબર?
Yes, sir.
So predecessor, successor is the same content. Predecessor stands for previous number. What it stands for? Previous number. Understood?
Previous.
Boys,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Previous
it's
number.
said to be previous number. Okay? And successor stands for
Ma'am, sir, before after number.
after number. Very good. After number. બરાબર? So 6
Yes, sir.
આપણે ડાયરેક્ટ પેલા ભણતા after number before number. So 6 નું after number શું આવે? 7.
7.
4 નું before number શું આવે?
3.
3.
3.
You know that. How you get this? How you get this?
Sir, by
6 નો next
before
number
and
7.
after.
4 નું પેલાનું number 3. Are you getting? This
Yes,
this can be calculated orally because the easy numbers are given here, right? If I give you the number 64,000, for example, 987, then how can you calculate directly? How
What,
can
sir?
you calculate? આ 6 હતો તો તમે એમ કહી દીધું જોરથી બોલીને કે after number is 7, 4 હતું તો before number is 3, તમે જોરથી કહી દીધું અત્યારે, બરાબર? But if I
Yes,
give you 64,987,
हाँ sir.
then
तो sir 64,988.
Yes, sir.
how you got 88? Make
Sir,
sure
by-
whatever number of digits given, successor will be done as +1 and predecessor will be done as -1.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
predecessor of this will be +1, so it will be calculated as 64,988. Got it?
Yes,
And
sir.
this is the successor of 64,987. This is successor. Okay? Now predecessor will be -1. So the predecessor of this number is 64,986. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Anybody has any doubt with this topic?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You are clear with before and after number, which stands for predecessor and successor?
Yes, sir.
બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ વોઇસ કોણ આવે છે? કોનું માઇક ઓન છે?
મોહમ્મદ રઝા નાયાણી.
બંધ કરતો બેટા. ચલો. Now we have to learn about number line. The new topic will be number line. Whole numbers on a number line. So number line તમે whole number, if you say that, I'm sorry, this is a number line. તમે તમારી સ્કેલ કાઢો તો તે સ્કેલમાં શું હશે? 0 થી સ્ટાર્ટ થતું હશે. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if I say 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these are known as whole numbers on a number line. તમે પેલા ભણી ચૂક્યા છો 5th standardમાં. If you are asked to plot a whole number 2, 4, 6 on a number line, so આપણે number line draw કરતા હતા like this, correct? And we were plotting like this 2, 4 and 6, which was asked in the question. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
યાદ આવ્યું તમને?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now what we have to do, we know how to place the whole numbers. આપણે already શીખી ગયા છીએ 5th standard માં. Now we have to add, subtract and multiply the whole numbers on a number line. So our first topic to add on a number line. Add whole numbers on a number line. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે? If I say 1 plus 2, બધાને ખબર છે કે આ 3 થાય. બધાને ખબર છે. અત્યારે 1 plus 2 લખ્યું એટલે. But how to calculate on a number line? So what is our first number? What is our first? 1. So we have to take place as 1, starting from 1. 1 1 માં એડ કેટલા કરવાના છે? 2. So 1 step and 2 step. ક્યાં આવી ગયા આપણે?
3.
Understood what we have done here?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
આ તો easy number હતો. ચલો, if I say 5 plus 2. So our first number is what? First number is what? 5. We have to start with 5. 5 માં 2 એડ કરવાના. તો એડિંગ કરતી વખતે આપણે કઈ સાઈડ જવાનું?
7.
રાઈટ હેન્ડ. કઈ સાઈડ જવાનું એડિંગ કરતી વખતે?
Right hand.
Right side. So our answer we got as 7.
7.
Understood how to add the whole numbers on a number line?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, same case, we are going to do as subtraction. Chalo. Again, I'll form a number line here. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. ચલો 12 સુધીની મેં નંબર લાઈન ફોર્મ કરી નાખી છે. ઓકે, એક નંબર લાઈન હું સ્પેરમાં મૂકી દઉં છું, જરૂર પડે તો યુઝ કરશું પછી. ચલો, now our topic is to subtract. What we have to do? To subtract the things on a number line. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how to form subtraction on a number line? If I write 6 minus 3. So what is our base number? 6. 6 ઉપર પેલા cursor લેવાનું 6. We have to subtract 3. That means we cannot move towards right side because right side to addition થાય છે. Are you getting? We have to move towards back side. So 3 step back. 1 step, 2 step and 3 step. 6 minus 3 આપણે શું મળ્યું?
3.
આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરીએ તો 6 minus 3 આપણે શું મળે?
3.
Have you understood about this subtraction?
Yes, sir.
બરાબર કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same way for a multiplication. Same way for multiplication. I'll remove this subtraction. Have to multiply it. Whole numbers on a number line. Now multiply it 4 into 2. Chalo. Everybody knows that 4 into 2 is 8. Sorry. 4 into 2 is 8. We know that. 4 2s are 8. Right? But how to multiply this?
हेलो
4
सर,
is our... हाँ बोलो.
चैप्टर 1 पूरा फेयर बुक में लिखना है.
कौन बोल रहा है?
मैं तो भी आपके साथ की मम्मी बोल
Ma'am, right now class is going on and right now it's not the time to ask any question.
बट मैंने मैसेज भी किया था लेकिन आपने जवाब नहीं दिया इसलिए मुझे
मैम
पूछना
मैम मैं हर एक लेक्चर में हर एक बच्चे को बोलता हूँ आफ्टर द लेक्चर दैट ऑल द सम्स हैज टू बी डन
वो
इन
मुझे बताता नहीं है इसके लिए आपको मुझे पूछना पड़ा
आपको
सॉरी
बताता नहीं है तो आप लेक्चर के बाद मैसेज करो, फोन करो, या लेक्चर खत्म होने के बाद आप क्वेश्चन करो मैम। अभी एक्सप्लेनेशन चल रहा है और आप बीच में फेयरबुक का ला रहे हो, पूरी लिंक टूट जाती है हम लोग की। Boys, are you getting this point? What is our base
Yes.
number? Base number is number 4, right?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Base number is 4. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Boys, are you all getting this or not?
Yes, sir.
So base number is 4. So from 4 we have to start. We have to multiply 2. Multiply with what? 2? Yes or no? So we have to
Yes, sir,
put a
2.
gap of 2 digit. 2 digit at a time. 2 steps we have to take. How many steps? Because it is
2.
multiplied by 2. It will come to what we got?
8. Hello, sir.
4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 into 2 steps. We have to.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है
मेरी आवाज क्लियर है, एडमिन डिपार्टमेंट को भी सुनाई दे रही है. इट इज वेरी क्रिस्टल क्लियर बच्चा. यू चेक योर इंटरनेट कनेक्शन. इफ यू आर फीलिंग अनकंफर्टेबल प्लीज rejoin it, log out and rejoin it. You will be comfortable.
Sir, I can listen
Okay, Muhammad
you.
Hussain. Other all
Yes.
children can listen me very carefully. Other all children can have my screen to their screen very clear. Admin department also are saying that it is very clear. So please check out your internet connections from your end. So 4 into 2. 2 has to be multiplied. So base steps કેટલી વાર? 2 વાર. Base steps લેવાના છે 2 વખત. So 4 into 2 will be 8. In the same case, if it is written 4 into 3. 4 into 3, right? So 4 is our base number. 3 steps લેવાના છે. 1, 2 and 3. કેટલી વખત? 3 વખત. 1 time. So 3 steps માં 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. Where we got?
12.
12. Are you getting my content, what I'm trying to teach you?
Yes, sir.
Our answer is 12. 3 steps, 3 times. If it is 4 into 4, chalo 2 into 4, chalo આપણે લાંબુ નથી કરવું. 2 into 4. So 2 is our base number. 4 steps. 4 steps into 4 means 4 steps. 4 steps કેટલી વખત લેવાના છે? 4 વખત. Are you getting? સમજ પડે છે શું કરવાનું હોય છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have to multiply the things on a number line. Boys,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Check here.
Yeah.
Yes, if I said 2 into 3, so 2 has to be multiplied by 3. Are you getting? So we know that 2 3s is what? 2 3s is
6.
6. We know that 2 3s are 6. Right? 2 is to multiplied with 3. That means 1 step, I missed my link. I am so sorry. So sorry for this. Boys, we will do one thing. We will continue this lecture in our next lecture. Okay? We will continue this topic. Is that clear, boys?
Yes,
We will
sir.
be starting this, continuing from the number line topic of multiplication in our next lecture. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All the things, again I am repeating, those parents are able to hear me can listen to me very carefully. All the things whatever we did in the class for chapter number 1, all the exercise has to be completed in their fair book, has to be written in
Yes,
their
sir.
fair book, and
Yes,
regular
sir.
homework has to be done one time in their rough book.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? And we
Yes,
have
sir.
started number 2, chapter number 2, whole number we have started. We did the addition and subtraction of whole numbers on a number line.
Yes,
In
sir.
our next lecture, we are going to start with, stop speaking in between. Who is that child?
Pariani Shafiq.
We have to learn how to multiply the whole number on a number line. We will be starting with that topic in our next lecture. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, do
Yes,
take
sir.
care of yourself, take care of your health, everyone. Have a nice time, boys. Bye
Bye,
bye.
sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
જાણા છે ઈ જો તમે જેવા પણ કીધો કેવા કીધા આ પરિયાણી છે ને પરિયાણી મગજ ફેરવ્યો ને સોરી મેમ